Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how you can make homemade papers by recycling old papers. So let's begin the video. I used this old notebook and used papers to make a pulp. First cut stripes of paper like so. Let's soak the paper for at least 2 hours. So after 2 hours, now we can make pulp by using a blender. Pour water in a separate bowl, add the pulp and mix. I don't have a paper mold, so that's why I am using this strainer. Scoop some water. Wait until the pulp settles on the strainer. Then use a cotton fabric to absorb the excess water. Press gently. You can also use a sponge to absorb the water. Now gently remove the fabric. Flip and tap to release the paper from the strainer. You can also add food coloring to make colored paper, or add things like dried flowers or leaves to add textures, but for now I will just stick to the basic. Let the paper dry. In my case I waited for 24 hours. You can trim the edges for a cleaner look, and here they are. Tell me in the comment section, is they are cute or not? Tap the like button if you liked our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.